Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will explain you about the plant hormones. So let us see what are plant hormones and what are their functions. Let us see the first plant hormone. The first plant hormone is AUXIN. It is a plant hormone that helps in the process of phototropism. What is phototropism? Phototropism is the process of bending of plant towards the sunlight. This is a sun and this is a plant. So when the sun rays will fall on the plant, then the plant slowly bends towards the sunlight. So this type of process by plants is called as phototropism. The plant hormone auxin that is generated in the leaves of the plants is responsible for the process of phototropism. So let us see how this phototropism is performed with the help of the plant hormone auxin. We know that every living body consists of cells. Every living body is made up of small and minute structures called as cells. Plants also will be having cells. So this is the stem of the plant, and these are the cells that are present inside the stem of the plant. These are the cells, and it is the stem of the plant. Now, when there is no sunlight, assume that there is no sun, then the plant hormone auxin will be distributed equally to the each and every cell of the plant. For assume that these dots are the auxin particles, auxin hormone. For all the cells, this auxin hormone is distributed equally. And coming to the function of the auxin, it helps in the elongation of the cell, means growth of the cell. Elongation of cell means that growth of the cell. So here, coming to the example, the auxin hormone is distributed equally to all the cells of the plant. Now there is sun. In the second case, you assume that there is sun, and the sunlight or sun rays will be falling on the one side of the cells of the plant. The cells of the plant present on the right side will be exposed to the sunlight, and the left side cells will be not exposed to the sunlight. This is the light which is exposed, and here, as the light is not exposed, let us assume this as left side cells as shaded region, lighted region and shaded region. So this auxin have one property that it is resistant to light, means it will escape from the light. So when the light falls, automatically these auxins present on the right cells will be transferring to the left cells. All the auxins will be transferring to the left cells to escape from the sunlight. So these auxins will be transferred to the left cells. So for left cells, now the auxin quantity will be more, and for the right cells there will be no auxin hormone. As we discussed that auxin, function of the auxin is elongation of cells. Means here the cells will be elongated as there is more auxin. The cells will be elongated, and the stem also will be elongated automatically as the cells are elongating. Now one side it is elongated and one side it is small. So automatically the plant bends to this side, as here it is elongated and here it is small. If here it is elongated and here it is small, the plant will bend like this, that is towards the sunlight. So as the plant is bending towards the sunlight, this process of bending of plant stem towards the sunlight by hormone AUXIN that is generated within the plant. This process is called as phototropism. So this here the AUXIN, plant hormone AUXIN plays an important role in the process of phototropism. Now let us move to the second plant hormone. Friends, the second plant hormone, that is ethylene. Ethylene, it is a plant hormone. It is having a single function, that is ripening of fruits. Ripening, the process of ripening of fruits is done with the plant hormone ethylene. You have to remember this is a single point, ripening of fruits by the plant hormone ethylene. Now the next plant hormone is cytokinins. Cytokinins. In the word cytokinins, the meaning of the word cytokinins is, we know that cyto means cell and kinins means division. Cytokinins means cell division. It helps in the process of cell division. If the cell division occurs, if the rate of cell division is more, then the production of stems and leaves also will be more. If you assume this is the stem and this is the cells of the plant, there will be occurring cell division and it results in the formation of more number of cells. The formation of more number of cells by cell division in the stems of the plants will be helpful for the plant growth as well as production of stems and leaves of the plant. Some of the cells will be accumulated, will be transported to the other side. Like this, it will help in the production of stems. Now this is the cytokinins, and cytokinins also helps in aging of leaves. And cytokinins helps in opening of stomata. Stomata, we know that stomata is a pigment that is present in the leaves of the plant, helps in the process of respiration. What happens if there is opening of stomata? There are many benefits, such as the processes like transpiration and evaporation takes place if the stomata opens. How that stomata will be opened? With the help of the plant hormone cytokinins, the opening of stomata takes place. Now coming to the next hormone, next plant hormone is abscisic acid. What is abscisic acid? It is a plant hormone and its functions are closing of stomata. It promotes aging of leaves as well as it helps in the process of seed dormancy. You have to remember these three simple points. First one is closing of stomata. In the before plant hormone, that is cytokinins, we have seen that it helps in the opening of stomata, which leads to the processes like transpiration and evaporation. And coming to the abscisic acid, it helps in the closing of stomata. Then processes like transpiration and evaporation does not occur. And next one is promoting aging of leaves. In the cytokinins hormone, we have seen that it is leading to the delay in aging of leaves, but abscisic acid plays a role in promoting of aging of leaves. Next is seed dormancy. These are the three functions of the abscisic acid. Now the next hormone is gibberellins. Gibberellins helps in seed germination and sprouting of buds, seed germination and sprouting of buds, and it helps in the elongation of stems. Elongation of stems. We have seen that the first plant hormone is helping in the elongation of cells in the stem, but this gibberellins plant hormone is helping in directly elongation of stems. Auxin, elongation of cells of the stem of the plant. Gibberellins, elongation of the stems of the plants. So friends, until now we have seen the plant hormones like auxin, the first hormone, cytokinin, the second hormone, and we have seen the ethylene, which helps in ripening of fruits, the third hormone, and the fourth hormone is abscisic acid, and the last but not the least, the fifth hormone is gibberellins. The auxin helps in the phototropism, cytokinin helps in the division of cells of the stem of the plant, ethylene helps in the ripening of fruits, and abscisic acid helps in the closing of stomata, promoting aging of leaves as well as seed dormancy. And gibberellins, it is the most important plant hormone. Why? Because it helps in the process of seed germination and sprouting of buds, which are some of the most important processes of plants, and also it helps in the elongation of stems. Nothing but it is helping in the growth of the plant. So they can ask some questions like, what is the anti-transparent hormone? Anti-transparent hormone. In the word anti-transparent, they can ask in MCQs like, what is anti-transparent? Transparent means the process of transpiration. Anti means which is stopping the process of transpiration. Here, if you observe, closing of stomata is by abscisic acid. If the stomata will be closed, then transpiration process do not occur automatically. Then abscisic acid will be the answer of this question. So this is the answer. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.